accidentally nuked your Google account, don't panic. You might still be able to resurrect it. First, head over to the Google Account Recovery page. You can find this by searching Google Account Recovery on another search engine, or by typing accounts Google.com, Sign Recovery in your browser. You'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number associated with the deleted Google account. Type it in carefully and click Next. Next, Google will ask you for the last password you remember using with this account. Even if you're not completely sure, provide the best guess you can. This helps Google verify that you're the rightful owner. Click Next. If you enabled security questions, Google might ask you and answer it as accurately as possible. Google might send a verification code to a recovery email address or phone number associated with the account. Check your inbox or messages and enter the code when prompted. If the verification is successful, Google will ask you to create a new, strong password for your account. Choose something unique and memorable, and write it down in a safe place. Once you've created your new password, you should be able to regain access to your email, photos, and other Google services. If the recovery process fails, it usually means too much time has passed since deletion, or the information provided couldn't be verified. Remember to keep your recovery information updated and practice good password security to avoid future account mishaps. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips.